Hi everyone. So if you saw my last video that I did, I replaced a couple of light fixtures that they really weren't nice. Um, they were kind of ugly and they served a purpose. I could have left them there, but I wanted to show you what the lights look like finished. I've been remodeling this our master bedroom here. I did do a floor. I did the video on the floor. That turned out really good. I had some trim work I needed to do after I did the floor. That's finished. I paint it. As you can see in the background, there's no more green walls. I really like this paint color. I was not sure about it at first. I wanted to paint the room like a really light green. But now that goes, I got overruled. Uh, so my wife picked out a color. It's called accessible beige, and it's nice. I like it. But I got the ceiling painted. I got the walls painted. Now I'm working on the trim. I have the trim around the windows. They're painted, and I have the baseboard painted. I have doors I need to paint, and I have the trim around the doors to paint. But I'm going to turn the camera around so you can take a look at the ceiling where these new lights are. There it is there, and it really lights up that little nook area. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm glad I did it now. It wasn't something that needed to be done, but I just thought that since I was doing this remodel in the master bedroom, that I would take them out and put the recessed lights in, and it turned out good. If you remember, I had the hole in the ceiling from where that fixture was. It's all patched, and it's a fresh coat of ceiling paint. And then where the switch was, if you remember from that video on that, replacing those ugly lights, I had the hole cut out around the box. It's all patched, painted, and the hole that I put in up by the ceiling to pull the wire up into the attic area to wire the lights in is all patched and painted. You wouldn't even know that I cut that wall open. But this area here, like I had said in the other video, eventually I'd like to put a window seat here. I just think it's the perfect spot for one, but it's just not on my to-do list right now. You can see I have the baseboard painted, the trim around the window, that's painted, trim around this window is painted. I still need to put the new ceiling fan in. And these doors here need to be painted, and the trim around the doors still need to be painted. And there's the lighting in this little hallway here. And the hole's been patched. It really brightens up that hallway. The lighting was terrible with the regular light fixtures. It was just a single bulb. But yeah, I still need to I gotta put the switch covers on, the outlet covers on. One thing with these windows, the cranks on them are kind of shot. So I ordered some. The cranks just don't work like they used to. I guess the gears in them have worn out. It's actually in all three, and then there's other windows in the house that are similar to this, and it's the same issue. They're 20 years old, believe it or not. They don't look it, but they are. So I ordered new cranks, and yeah, they're supposed to be in I don't know, 2 days. I kind of expedited the shipping. I paid a little bit more money just to get them here quickly. I ordered them yesterday, and I think for the standard shipping charge, which was like $7 or $8, it was going to take a week for them to get here. But if I could have expedited it, they gave me a couple different choices, and the one choice was a 2-day delivery, and it was like $14. So it was worth it to me to spend the extra money. So hopefully I get them Tuesday or Wednesday. I imagine their shipping dates will go by business days. So when I ordered it, it was Saturday. So Monday, Tuesday would be 2 business days. So I'd expect them here Tuesday or at the latest Wednesday, and I can replace them. Took the screens out. I cleaned the windows on the inside. I do want to go out and clean the windows on the outside. I noticed when the sun went down, I could see the dirt on the outside window, on the outside. So I'm going to climb out there and clean them, just so it's all fresh, clean. New paint job, new floors, and I have clean windows. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover the outlets, cover the switches, and then I'm going to go out on the, there's like a little roof right where the windows are. I'm going to climb out there and clean the windows on the outside. Once I get that done, I can put the new blinds up. I picked up some new, I don't want to call them blinds, I guess they're shades. I bought the same ones that were there, so they'll go in easy. The bracket holes are already there, and they're already in the right location. So I'll get that done, and yeah, hopefully we can get moved back into this room. It's kind of been a pain not being in my own room, but it'll be nice when it's done. So let me cover these outlets and switches. Then I'll climb out on the roof, clean that window. I'm here alone. I don't want to climb out there until my wife gets home so she can hand me whatever it is I need. I'll turn you around. There's a little roof out there that I'll need to stand on to to clean the outside of the window. I'll climb out through the window. Too cold to get a ladder out and climb up on a ladder. I'll just climb out the window. All right, let me get to work here. I'll cover these up and I'll bring you back. Well, there's nothing like a freshly remodeled room, fresh paint, new floors, nice and clean looking. So I'm calling this project done. This master bedroom remodel. So I finished painting. I painted the trim on the doors. Let me turn you around. The little hallway here was the last area that needed to be painted. The trim's painted, doors are painted. New hardware on the doors. The brass, the old brass style hinges and knobs are removed, and I installed some newer, updated hardware in a matte black, and kind of makes that area pop. I really like it. And my new lighting, got rid of all those 2 old ugly looking light fixtures, and now we have a more modern look. And same thing over here in the nook, new modern look with the lighting. It really lights up that nook area really nice. Even moved in a piece of furniture to get it out of the hallway. I was glad to do that. It was in our way every time we needed to walk through the hallway. But yeah, this was a good project. Turned out really good. The floors look awesome. The carpet that was in here before, it was 20 years old. It was time. It didn't have much wear to it, but it was time. But the floors are beautiful. They turned out good. Check out my video on that. We got the new ceiling fan in. Just went with a plain white ceiling fan. Nothing special, nothing crazy. It's a nice, clean looking fixture. I like it. And all the outlet covers, switch covers, they're all back in place. Picked up some brand new ones, got rid of the old ones. Freshly painted all the way around, all the trim around the windows. New painted walls, they're no longer green. That green paint in the earlier videos I did, for some reason it shows up very dark on the videos. It wasn't that dark. It was a light green, not real light, but I would say in the middle. But for some reason it showed up very green in the videos I did on the floor when I was working on the floor. I was looking at that video the other night and noticed that it really wasn't that dark of a green. But anyway, the green's gone. This is accessible beige, like I said earlier in the video. And I do have plans eventually, probably when I retire in a year or so, I'm going to build a little nook or a window seat area in this nook spot here. I think it's a perfect area for something like that. It'll just add a little bit of, like, I guess you could call it elegance to the room. Yeah, it'll be cool looking. These lights, I can't get over how nice they are. I'm really, really pleased with the lighting. You'd never know that there was a light fixture up there that was ugly. The hole's been filled. And again, same thing on this wall. The hole at the top of the ceiling, or the opening that I made to pull the wire up for the light over the window. And the hole I made around the single light switch to switch over to the double gang box. You would never know that I had that cut open. All patched up and painted. Yeah, I turned one light out, and then that just gives us a light over the window, which hopefully will just serve as a light for the window seat that I have plans on building here. You see, lighting there so good. That looks really nice. Little hallway here. To the right's the entrance to the bedroom. That's the master bath. That's the walk-in closet. Yeah, so another project done. I'm moving into another bedroom. It's actually the 4th bedroom in the house. The past year I've done, this is the 3rd one I've done. So this will be the last bedroom that I need to do. It's the smallest of all the bedrooms. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Freshen it up, pull the carpets up, put new hardwood floors down, new paint on all the woodwork. And I don't know what we're gonna do with the room, but it'll be all finished for whatever we use it for. There's no more kids in our house, they're all gone. So it's basically an empty room, but it needs to be updated. So keep an eye out for those videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to share this little project I had going on in my home. This is the master bedroom. We're gonna move all the furniture in here. And yeah, it'll be nice to get back into my own room. So thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like button. It helps. And I'll see everybody in the next video.